You know, I'm sitting here, I'm eating some salad because healthy. And then I told myself, I said, hey, how about we work on Betty? Because that sounds like the right thing to do. So with that being said, let's get it.
Weather just doesn't know what to do. YouTube, what is going on? This is your boy Chris Rod here, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of modifications to the exterior of Betty. And what we're going to be doing is revamping this front end. It's time to get a new piece to the puzzle for the front end. So I'm going to be doing 3 things, and here's what they're going to be. Our first glance, first off, here's our front end, right? You know, she looks decent, looks all right. But at first glance, something that I want to get rid of that's really just an eyesore for this car. It's that little plate right there. That's gotta go. We're gonna take that out, right? I've been kind of contemplating on getting a black emblem. I do not have it yet, but I might take this emblem off and see the look of it, how it turns out. Also, what I'm gonna be doing is putting a Mach 1 chin spoiler right under, and we're just gonna make it, you know, nice, a little bit of a lower look, even though it's not lowered already to what it is. And also, the last thing we're gonna do is get this big old antenna out of the way, because this thing is hideous. And so we got this antenna, I don't know, it's like 15-20 inches. I have no idea. It's Jesus, that thing's long for no reason. We're gonna get all this out, and we're gonna see a final product of how this turns out. So let's call this a facelift, Betty's facelift. Why not? Let's get right over to it. First thing that I kind of want to take care of, but yo, are you shitting me, dude? So basically, I'm gonna just start with the easy stuff by taking this plate off first, as I try to struggle and get this thing out. First off, is this the right size? So okay, you know, reality, we don't need plates. There's no need for license plates. We don't need it.
I don't need it.
Wow, wow, that's dirty. We're gonna just get this and get that out of there. And the next thing that I am gonna actually do is take away this emblem. Is that a spider? What is that? Right now we're just gonna try and take this out, and I believe it's a T25 security Torx bit. Wow, that's bent. Wow, damage. Great. What if this is the bit that I need? Hold on, this is the bit that I need. I'm nuts. I'm just nuts. T25 in the flesh. Let's go. We got 2 screws so we can pop right out. You gotta remember that. You gotta remember one thing, that these are Torx bits, and what that means are security Torx, as a matter of fact, not just Torx. So they're gonna have a little hole kind of poked out within the actual screw, compared to your typical Torx, for security purposes, so nobody steals this. It's clearly forethought. Oh my God, this is a Mustang. We're gonna steal a Mustang emblem. I think I push down, out, and around town. There we go. There's my emblem, and I'm gonna actually shove the screws back in so that I don't lose them and I know clearly where they are in my life. Let's see, from here I think the next thing I want to do is actually take out that antenna, because that's like the biggest eyesore. I'm hoping that you can see this thing. It's like right there, you know, right, boom. So that's gonna come out, and I actually have a replacement for that, and come check it out. Here's what it is. So I actually got this antenna off American Muscle. I believe it's like the 8-inch antenna. It has the black finish. It literally just screws right on. I'll show you guys right now. One of the easiest things you could possibly do on a Mustang. I mean, you're not gonna get your reception, I guess, or good radio quality after, but you're just gonna, and then once you do that, it's gonna look a whole lot better. So let me go do that right now. Okay, so the antenna, all right. Ideally, I'm technically supposed to use a, what do you call it? Adjustable wrench, but I have a vice grip. So it is literally the same thing, you know? I mean, as long as it gets it out, whatever, dude. It's the same exact concept. Is this good? One shot, maybe? Yo, I am nuts with the one-shotters recently. What is wrong with me, guys? Okay, hold on. All right. Pretty sure. Let's see if I not. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Look at that. Here's my antenna. Let's actually test something. Hold on. Did Ford put the same antenna for every single vehicle they had on their list or their lineup? Huh? Yo, dog, they actually did. Jesus, that is so stupid. I guess Ford has every antenna, so we're gonna yeet that out of there too. Watch this, watch this, watch this. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy, right? You stick her in, right? And you start tightening her, right? Right? Oh yeah. That's the spot. Oh yeah. And then you take your vice grip and you scratch this up also. And then, yeah, I did scratch it, so freak me, dude. That's it. That's literally it. That's literally it. Like, are you kidding me? You see what I'm doing. Are you guys, you see what I'm actually doing. There's no way you don't see it. You see it. Now, I gotta get this chin spoiler on. But the weather's not looking too well, so I don't think I'm gonna be doing that now. I might save it for the next day. So let's go into the next day and I'll figure out what I want to do and all that good stuff. Okay, I'll be really honest. It's actually been like a whole week. Weather's still bad. That's fine. So I kind of realized in doing those in the clips that I saw of me, you know, telling you the 3 things that need to be done. I realized I didn't actually tell you. I just showed it. But just to sum it up real quickly, the 3 things that has to be done for this front end facelift thing that I'm doing is going to be chin spoiler, the license plate clearly is taken out, and then the antenna, in case you didn't quite figure it out already. So now we got to put that chin spoiler on, the Mach 1 chin spoiler, and we're going to do that momentarily and be done with this video. So here we are with the bumper right here in the garage, and this thing is honestly extremely shot, but I don't even think that's a big issue because I just don't care. We don't care about the bottom. It's probably going to scrape and all the good stuff anyway. So we're going to try and get this chin spoiler on my way, because my way is usually the best way. A drill, set up. I got it all charged up. That way I can drill some holes in here. We're going to grab this, kind of just mock this up a little bit. And we're going to try and find our center, which is pretty much right here. And we got to figure out how we're going to get this chin spoiler to go onto this bumper without any issues or any problems and be nice and even. But that's going to be tricky when you got a whole chin spoiler that's been packed up in a box and not really meant to be in a freaking box, dude. So I don't know how I'm going to do this, but we're going to do it. So, I mean, here we go, right? Sheesh. This is going to be a pain in my ass, bro. What is going on, dude? Is this my center? Maybe this is my center, actually. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up.
Smoke weed every day.
That hole that's in the middle, I mean, it's in the middle, dog. So, yeah, this is my center. So, with that being said, I'm going to basically just tape this up to here. But I don't know how I'm going to... You know what? I'm going to just tape it up. We're going to mock this up a little bit and see how this goes. Because this thing is really bent. And I'm going to try and unbend it and do my best. So, here's where I'm at right now. I kind of put like a little dimple right here. Put some tape. Kind of created a line. Tried to find my center point. Or where I think is the center. This looks... Yeah, you know, it's all right. So, I followed this. I created a little line. I failed one time. Went to the right. Then I got ruler. Got a little straight. And ironically enough, after test fitting it, this dimple that I made actually wasn't a good template because the chin spoiler kind of sat a little too flush with the edge of the bumper. I don't know if I want that. I kind of want it to go a little lower. And lucky me, the hole that's on the chin spoiler lines perfectly with the end of the line that I created here. So I'm going to do the right thing and not worry about anything else and just drill my hole. There's some screws in here, no? I don't know. That screw looks good. Probably not. What about the small one? Tap it. Sure. Battery. Turn her up a little. This is probably the most craziest thing is right here. Is just full sending it right in this hole. All right, let's see what we got. Looks right. I don't know why I'm so nervous to do this. Trying to get it right in there. Okay. The first hole has been made. I don't know. Just ain't going back now. I'm gonna take the tape off and I'm about to put the chin spoiler right on here, so give me 1 sec. And we're just gonna tighten her up a bit. You know, there's something about this Icon ratchet that I'm really not feeling. I mean, I'm just really not feeling it. Craftsman, gear wrench, Pittsburgh. This Pittsburgh never failed me. So that's tight enough because this is plastic, so it'll definitely fall right through. Huh, maybe I should read the instructions? Nah, instructions are for losers. I think what I'm gonna do now is put some paint marker on my desired spots where I need to start drilling some holes. Best thing I can do right now. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Guys, help me out. Is that even? We're gonna call that right there even. We're doing it, guys. That's it. It's there. The markings are there. Real quickly, let's actually figure out what bit I'm gonna need in order to get this to right through. And let's guess this one. So I got that drilled out. I'm gonna actually take away this right now since I got these first 2 holes in. So I got my center, which is good. And we're gonna take this out. So I got my 3 holes so far. Let's make these holes a little bigger. I'm gonna keep this screw in here. That way I don't lose it. Good enough for me, brother. So now I'm going to take the chin spoiler and shove these first 3 on here. We're just gonna mock it up and then see how it goes. Go from there. That's the best I can do right now. So real quickly, the real easy way that I'm trying to get these little nuts on here, like this is really tight behind here or it's real tight from the long bolt that they give you compared to the actual bumper. So this is the way I'm doing this. Vice grip, close them up right onto the lock nut, just like so. Finding it behind here, and then once I find, which is basically right there where it meets, I tighten it up, and then I tighten it up all the way. You know, I should probably use my drill to get this in quicker, but that's honestly perfectly fine. Hand tight is always the best way to go. I mean, then again, this is just a nut and bolt, whatever. But that's how I'm getting this on right now. So bear with me. All right, so far, so good. I mean, I think we kind of see what I'm trying to do. I'm just kind of going along from the middle out as we put this whole chin spoiler on. So I think my method is basically going to be, you get the first one in, center it. You get your estimated, I guess, width from the tip of the bumper with the spoiler, how much you want it. I don't know if there's a specific way that you're supposed to get it, but that's how I'm doing it. And from there, we basically got our next 2 nut and bolts. Basically get the marker, mark your spot, and I'm just gonna go in, out. I think that's kind of a safer bet right now, especially since this is just all discombobulated and funky, and it's stupid. Like, it doesn't make any sense. That is terrible packaging. I'm gonna say it again. So I'm gonna get everything mocked up, put all my holes in. I don't really think I need to show you. You kind of should be able to get exactly what I'm doing. But from there, we'll give the finished product of what exactly is done to every single thing. And on top of something, I might not even have to put a, what's it called? I'm gonna have to do some self-tappers. I might not. We'll see if I can get away with it. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. So clearly, as we can see, that I have the Mach 1 chin spoiler on the bumper, and it literally I literally went from the middle out. It was honestly that simple to do. Once you get to around maybe the end, you don't even need to mark it anymore. You could just drill your hole right in. As far as the size bits go with a nice small drill bit, and then go with a nice 1/2 inch drill bit, and then these bolts will kind of just fall right in. And I didn't really mark it up, so I didn't take the chin spoiler out and then mark it up. I just did it literally as I went along. Very simple. It took me not even maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes? 20 minutes tops, just about. But I like how this is so far, and I mean, look, just from the top, I'm liking it. I'm liking it, I'm liking it, I'm liking it. So let's stop with the BS, and let's go put this thing on the car and see our final product. I can't wait. So real quickly, just because I'm an actual idiot, This is a 1/4 inch, not a half. So before you correct me and try and roast me, and I put some stupid little wording saying 1/4, I'm sorry, I'm a human being. I said half, thinking half. It's a 1/4 inch. So for all you that want to correct me, how about you blow my?
Whoa, just take it easy, man.
Yo, I can't wait for you guys to take a look at this, man. There's 2 things I gotta do before I show you. First, you'll see why. But yo, I don't think you guys are ready. I really don't think. I don't think you're ready. Dude, oh wait, that's behind the scenes stuff. Get that out of here. Yeah. Oh my God, man. Look, yo. I love it. Love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. Oh my God. This car is just, it's coming. What? It's coming the way I want it. This is gonna be like the best thing that I've been doing so far, so we're almost there. And all in all, if all you guys enjoyed this video and you found it very helpful and you think this car looks phenomenal, be sure to leave a like and don't forget, smash that subscribe button as well as ring that notification bell. I don't know if I said subscribe right. Smash that subscribe button. But all in all, peace and love, baby, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Deja que ella te arrebate, pero no la maltrate. No es simplemente una mata. Préndele, toca y sube para la nube. Deja que ella te arrebate.